Here we are again in our Poggenpohl kitchen with Miele appliances. Here we have two ovens side by side. This is the Combi-steam model, and this is a speed oven. Combi-steam is a combination oven for convection cooking, for steam cooking, and many options combining the two or various settings using one or the other, including broiling. The speed oven is also a combination oven. It is a combination convection and microwave. There's even a little button here for minute plus. And these older models have a popcorn button. Newer models are a little different because the controls are slightly different. We're going to talk about accessories today. These ovens do include certain accessories, and then additional accessories are available for purchase. So this is the Combi-steam. Included is the rack holder and one set of these flexi clips. Flexi clips are the little drawer guides. They just hook on to the back of this side rack, and you can have one that comes with one, you can have two, you can have three. This is the smaller version of the oven. For the XXL model, there's actually 4 tiers for here. So the flexi clips are included. Also included are the steam trays, stainless steel for steam. Just remember that, stainless, steam. Do not use these for roasting or baking because you will discolor them like I did by accident, whoopsie. So these are the perforated trays and the solid trays. And then we also, it'll be included is a larger perforated tray. And of course, one of the racks. This has a coating on it for easy cleaning, and it can go on with the flexi clips or be just set like how this one is. And the last part of what can be included are these universal trays. One is perforated and the other is solid. So many times when we are roasting, we can put our roast on the perforated tray. All the great juices get collected below, can be reused or thrown away if you don't want them. The same thing goes for your steam. If you are using the steam function for things that are a little gooey, or maybe you don't want to get all of those juices around your oven, you can, but if you want to be a little cleaner, you can take that perforated tray, put it on top, and let the juices be collected down below. And I do this specifically for like beets. That's my number one because I don't want to see red juice all over my oven. Of course, there is the drain at the bottom. The little drain cover does look like this. It's upright, not downright. And all of the juices and waters and steam go down into there, pump through, and come back up behind the control panel. And this is the discard. If you have a plumbed model, then it's going to go down the drain that you have it plumbed to. This is the water container on the right, and this is the discard condensate container on the left. And so when you go through the rinse cycle, that's where the process is happening. It's pulling from here, going through the oven, down through the drain, and then up into the condensate. So now that we've discussed this, I am a Miele professional. All right, the next thing we're gonna see is our speed oven. So for speed oven, let me get that out of there. I have a small kitchen. So on the speed oven, it comes with a tray and also a glass tray. So we've got the wire rack and we also have the glass tray. The glass tray is mostly used for microwaving. However, I use this frequently with parchment paper and when I'm doing convection bake, especially for like appetizers or even roasted vegetables. And then on the roast rack, you can put your roast directly on here or you can put your pan directly on here. This is used for any of the types of convection baking that you're using. And then there we go. So additional accessories that can be purchased, additional trays, additional glass trays in this Combi-steam oven, additional steaming trays, remember stainless steam, additional racks, additional flexi clips. So let us know which accessories you may want to add to your beautiful Miele ovens, and we'll take care of you right away. Aloha.